YouTube. So I have this Universal Precision Sewing Machine Deluxe model. I don't know anything about sewing machines. This one, I'm guessing it's from like the 40s or 50s. I have no idea. Says embroidery, silk, or normal. Seems to be in pretty good shape. I'm just gonna give it a spin for you, show you that it works. And that's the extent of my knowledge of this sewing machine. This model, it seems like you can tighten or untighten it right here. I don't really know. You gotta tighten this up in order to make it go. If this isn't tight, yeah, I got the case for it and everything, foot pedal, and this box of goodies, whatever this stuff is. Some kind of instructions, I have no idea. I don't think it's for this thing. Maybe it is. Yeah, it is. Here's a instruction booklet. It's kind of a small little booklet. Anyways, YouTube, that's all I got. Hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. We'll see you later. Peace out.